Hey there, welcome to this website. Now the message behind this video is pretty profound, so please bear with me just a couple of minutes until we get to the end. Now on the next slide I'm going to show you two people, and I'd like for you to tell me, who would you rather have working for you in your business? Here's Sleazy Simon. Now Sleazy Simon's the kind of guy that will try and sell you a dodgy watch or a second-hand used car that has a ton of problems of which he didn't disclose up front. He's persistent and he's really pushy. Or would you rather have Honest Roger? Now Honest Roger's got a lovely wife, he's beautiful, he's been married for 14 years, he's got two lovely little kids. One's a boy, 7 years old, and another's a girl, and she's just 13 months. They own their own home, and he goes to church every single Sunday. So who would you rather have working for you in your business? Hopefully you would have said Honest Roger. And clearly Honest Roger will make you a lot of money. He'll bring in a lot of sales, he's believable, and he seems honest. Now the reason why I showed you those two guys was because your sales page on your website is basically an online salesman that's representing your products, your company, your brand, your services online. If you've got a poor sales page, you might as well have Sleazy Simon promoting your products or services and your brand. If you've got a well-crafted sales page, you can make a lot of money. A lot of people don't even realize this, and they don't really put as much effort into creating and crafting a really good sales page as they do with other things. Now I'm going to show you some income proof, and this is brought about by having a really good sales page on my website. Here are some of the kind of screenshots and earnings that I managed to pull in on a daily basis. This is just for one of my websites. Okay, you know, it can range from $2,000-3,000 a day up to $5,000, $10,000 a day. But all this, I want you to know, is a result of your message. Okay, the sales page. The sales page is what is selling your products. So you must invest in having a good sales page. I cannot stress that enough. But for most people, a good sales page does cost a lot of money. Now here what you can see is the number of leads that I have in one of my autoresponder databases. Okay, there are over 100,000 leads in the database, and again this is a result of having a good sales message, okay, having a good sales letter that sucks people in, sucks in your target audience and make them do whatever it is that you want them to do, okay, whether it be giving you money, or signing up and giving you their name and email address. Now this sales letter creation software will help you create professional sales letters in whatever niche it is that you're in. It doesn't matter what who your target audience is, what product you're selling. It doesn't matter if it's a make money, if you're in the make money niche, whether you're selling weight loss products, golf products, or products that teach your parrot how to talk. Now this software is going to help you create professional sales letters in less than 20 minutes. What I really want you to understand is this software really wasn't chucked together overnight. Okay, this was created in conjunction with professional copywriters that charge over $10,000 for a website, for a sales page. Okay, a sales letter. Sorry, these guys are charged $10,000. And this software was created in conjunction with those guys and a team of highly skilled programmers. Now what I'm going to do now is show you, okay, I'm going to basically showcase the sales creation software to you. Okay, now here we have the sales letter generation software interface. On the left you can see a series of steps that you will undertake in a step-by-step fashion. So the first step that we will need to take to create a professionally beautiful sales page, okay, is to start off with the first tab, meta tags. Okay, now here you will simply fill in the details as indicated by these prompts on the left. Okay, and this particular section is for SEO, for search engine optimization. You would enter in your name here, your website language, the type of site, the subject of your site, description of your website, keywords, robots. Okay, robots is associated with such as the Google bot, Yahoo bot. Now they're little bots. They go out and they index your website, and you can basically tell your sales page whether or not you want to allow these bots to index your page. Okay, so we've got follow tags and no follow tags. Okay, and a classification for the type of site that you have, i.e. copywriting. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is all for behind the scenes stuff that's going on in your sales page, okay, for SEO. Next you would go to page settings. Here you would enter in the title of your page, your name, your customer support email address, header graphics, the e-cover of the product that you're selling, whether it's a product, a service, or whatever it is. You can enter in an e-graphic, current date if you so wish. Page background color. Here is an amazing feature that's only available in this software. Okay, now what this is going to allow you to do is embed videos directly into your sales page. Simply grab a video, for example, off YouTube. Okay, you would grab the link and simply right click and paste it in. Okay, now we'll give you the chance to embed 2 YouTube videos. Okay, one would be higher up in the sales page and the second one lower down. And then we would go to headline. Now check this out. As I said already, we collaborated with professional copywriters that charge a ton of money, and they basically created all these pre-written headlines. So all that you need to do is select a headline that you like, okay, and simply hit use selected. So for a headline, to give you some ideas, we could click on this one: change your financial situation starting from today, repay that mortgage and debt. Or interested in making some money, doing what you love to do the most, or something like that. Quick profits could be yours within a few hours. So whatever headline that you want. Oh, this is actually the attention headline. This is called basically the lead-in. So you could pick one of these, hit you selected. Okay, the main headline: unearth the full earning potential within, and then here you would insert the product area, learn unrevealed methods to make, insert amount here. So they're basically placeholders in here as well. So if we click on you selected, where you've got these placeholders, you would simply enter in here it says insert product area. So unearth the full earning potential within the make money niche, just for an example, and learn unrevealed methods to make, insert amount, $10,000 in, and insert duration, in 2 days. Over the top, but this is just an example. And what you can also do is, okay, you've got sub headline here, same thing, same strategy. You can insert a sub headline, so insert new sub headline here, and if you check this box, this will actually save this new sub headline that you insert into the database so that you can pull it up again later. Okay. Also, another cool feature is if we enter in a character here, such as C, H, for example, a change, it's going to bring up all the subheadlines that start with that word, okay, or the letter. So, sit back, okay, we've got a headline in there that starts with the word sit, or relax. If we type in relax, you can see that the word relax is somewhere in this headline. So it's going to pull that up. Let's put in something like money. So these 2 subheadlines that we have in the database already contain the word money. And let's move on to the next tab. Step, introduction. We've got a ton of introduction sentences. Same thing, you would find a sentence that you like, introduction sentence, and you selected. Press that button there in order to allow you to get the most out of, insert product name. It has been designed carefully with regards to its ease of usage. Instead of having to waste time learning just what to do or pondering over what it all means, you can jump right in, etc., etc. Okay, here you would introduce the first paragraph, and here problems that the user encounters. Product introduction, introduction headline, features list. List the features of your product here, how your product solves problems. We've got some more feature in the form of bullets. Okay, so here you would simply enter in a short title, and the feature of your product, suitable for newbies. And here you would enter in a short explanation of that feature, and you can add up to 9 features and also a feature summary here. Okay, then moving on to the next segment here, benefits. Here you would list the benefits of your product, and then in the form of bullets as well. So here is benefit number 1. Okay, here is benefit number 2, and so on and so on. Testimonials, again, we've done this already for you. We have, the copywriter created a huge array of testimonials that you can simply select from this list. Okay, so we can click on associate this with testimonial number 1, add testimonial. Okay, wow, just wow, I don't even know where to start with all the things that this product type has done for me now, etc., etc. The name of the person that gave you this testimonial, it could be John Peters, okay, whatever it is. Short title for this testimonial, wow, 2 days and I'm up $50 already. Okay, this is the short title that stands out. Moving on to the body, okay, here is where you would enter in how your product works, how much do you charge and why, compare it with other products. What will your customers receive if they buy your product? Bonus, you can enter in any bonuses that you would offering if they purchase your product or services. Guarantee, we've got a ton of guarantees already created for you, so we simply select a money back guarantee and insert it. Okay, so there is no risk at all involved in buying this new product, because unless you are 110% satisfied, we will return all of your money. And you can also add more into the database for future use, and here you would enter in a title. Closing statements, we've got a ton of pre-written closing statements for you, so you can really churn out something great, a great professional sales letter that is targeted and hits all the right buttons for your audience. Okay, PS statements, simply used any of these that you like. And then we've got any legal forms, so any legal information that you would like to add, reason for ordering, order headline, a payment link. You can also, so you can literally insert, such as a PayPal buying link, checkout link, clickbank link, pay.com link, so that people can purchase your product. You simply paste that into here, and to preview your sales letter creation as you go along, you can simply hit this button here, preview, and you can also save the output. Another thing that you could do here is go back and forward through the steps with these back and forward arrows, okay, previous and next. So you can jump between these and complete them in any order that you wish. And what I'm going to do now is basically I'm going to show you an example of a created sales letter that was done using this software. Okay, I have just gone through and filled out each one of these steps to give you an example demo of exactly how quickly and how beautifully this software can craft high converting sales letters. Okay, check this out. Okay, so this took me about 15 minutes to churn out. Okay, we've got the videos, we've got graphics, we've got summaries, we've got bullets, features, testimonials, more copy, guarantee box, and you can customize pretty much all of this. Okay, bonus section, here's an ordering section. Okay, so here you would click, the person that comes to the page would click here to order, and you can plug in any processor at the back, whether you want to use PayPal or however it is that you're taking payments for the products or services, whatever it is on your site. So you've got a ready-made link there. Signing off with your name, PS statements, contact, link, and up top here you can see that even the title bar has been customized, okay, and there's a lot of SEO going on in the background as well. So it's pretty easy for for a newbie, okay, to get a sales page up and running, and something that would actually help them make money If we go back to the software, I mean, let me just show you quick customization. One that I use a lot is changing the background color. If we go with white, just click on preview again, and we've got a nice white background. It's pretty corporate looking, pretty clean. Okay, let's try one more. How about I don't even know what this color is, so let's try this dark maroon. Okay, preview. Okay, now that is really nice. Now this will also create it will export a HTML page for you. So even if you don't know how to use Microsoft Front Page or Dreamweaver, it doesn't really matter. This will churn out. Okay, it will generate, it will output a complete web page for you, just like this. So let me show you that. Let's go to Save Output. If we go to Desktop, we can just simply save this as index, and then hit Save, and that's it. The file has been saved in a HTML format, and all that you will need to do is upload that to your domain, okay, to your host, and that's it. You're ready to go. So that's how easy it is to use the sales lead generation software. It's not going to be at this price for long, so please, if you want this, please go down and take action and grab it straight away.